I'm just running a bath for my babies. Come guys, time to bath so that you can have breakfast. Brush your teeth, brush your teeth. Outfits for the day for my babies. This is what they're gonna be wearing. It's sunny a bit, yeah, so this will be proper for them. What? Oh, it has some nice roses now. Wow. Wow, this is beautiful. And there's new one that are gonna come in also now. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Yeah. Beautiful. And another one here, I think. Huh? Yes. My favorite is the this one. But it's not having any blooms yet.
Your one is busy. My one is the purple thing there.
Oh, that one. Yeah, it looks nice. And also look at these red ones. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Chris and Ken Family. So today I'm home with my kids. They are at their midterm break, so I have 1 week with them. They're only going to go back to school on 4 May. So I'm enjoying some time with comfort. How do I look?
Let's go party at the beach. Mama, look at the famous
Okay.
Ow, these sponges.
That's a kind of tiny parts.
And look at this big sponges.
And the lids, they're just gonna have to help us.
Yeah.
Guys,
look. It has
these pots,
And you can even look.
yes, these pots I got them as a present from my ex-boss. I got them in December when I resigned from my work. And this is just one of their presents that I got.
And guys, look,
They are so beautiful. I like the pan. Look at the pan.
And guys, it has like a moon texture to it, like with the white
And guys,
paint
look
and
at
like
this.
milk.
And yo, look at this big one. Oh, that's big. This is huge. I love it. I love the lids.
But guys, you have
They are
to be
so
careful.
cute.
It's glass.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to be careful or else it will break it. Discipline.
Yes. So, look guys.
What?
Okay, so today we're gonna make pancakes here. No?
And waffles.
I think pancakes for today. You can't make both.
Okay.
Yes.
Waffles, 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 waffles.
Pancakes, pancakes, pancakes. Can you put it in the pantry?
Okay.
First I'm going to put it in the
Okay, so let's prepare to make pancakes.
Someone are gonna use these two things. These two
Guys,
utensils. So first,
Guys, watch
you spread that whole cream in the stand. You use the spatula.
Guys, it's halala.
After you take that pancake and put it in a plate. When you put it in a plate, you add your cream.
Yes.
Okay, so let's make pancakes. First, we're gonna put the dry ingredients, which is 1.5 cups of flour. Then I can go put this in the pantry. And then okay, my thing broke, so I'm just using this.
Papa, I have yours. You have your big spoon. Remember?
It's fine. I can use this, okay? So here's the 1.5 cups of flour. And then next, baking powder. It's 3 teaspoons of baking powder. 3 teaspoons. And then I have my salt here. It's 1 teaspoon.
Mama, you left it.
1 teaspoon of salt. And then I have my 1 tablespoon of sugar. I don't have a sifter, so that's why I'm just doing this. Okay, let's go to my wet ingredients.
Mama, can I tell you something?
Yes. Okay, so I need, yeah, no, it's okay. I need 1.5 cups of milk. So here's 1 cup. And then now, and then I need 1 egg. This is 1 egg. And then 3 tablespoons of butter, melted butter. 1, 2, 3. Just put a bit extra. Yeah. Let's put 2. I need? I think that's all. And then I'll just make a well here in the middle. First, let me mix my wet ingredients.
Look like you're making porridge.
Like I used to eat for now.
You know that baby porridge?
Yeah.
It looks like you're making baby porridge.
Yeah, like I used to eat.
Yeah, the butter looks so nice. Yeah, so let's just taste the butter and like.
Can I taste?
The camera girl.
Can I taste?
This thing will give you stomachache, guys.
Too much butter. It tastes yucky because it's raw. You said it tastes yucky because it's raw. Here's the result. Your butter should be looking like this.
Yeah,
If it's not, it's a disaster.
But it's nice.
We'll mix it and
Okay.
It tastes
What
nice.
we are going to do?
Jada, look. Look at this. There's nothing. It is nothing, but I taste some butter.
Because I want to make tiny pancakes, I'm gonna put this in a plastic.
Oh, and then you're gonna cut a hole and then you're gonna squirt it.
I think that's enough.
So let's wait for our pancake. You can come this side. I'm just gonna heat my butter in my new pan.
We can use the butter.
I think it's it.
Don't you see it smelled? Oh, that's nice. Choo, choo, choo. So
Mama, just squirt it at once. Don't make like a little ball.
I think it's too thick, no?
Yes.
Pancakes.
Oh.
not
Sure, the
buns.
questions that you are asking, Kate.
What? Don't put them next to each other.
or else they'll come next. Mama, they're squeezing so they can. Mama, these two are almost next to each other. Sophie is next to each other. Sophie is next to each other. They're next to each other. Look. Yo. Mama, look, it's next to each other.
So yeah, I'm making little pancakes for my babies. I hope it come out nice.
The walls get burned.
Now come take me to the outside.
This is the way to talk about.
Professor Mama takes a little. Professor Mama Chica. Professor Mama Chica. Professor Mama Chica. Professor Mama Chica. Professor. That's the seeds that's inside.
Alright, that's it. This is you check it about when you are eating.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I'm not sure.
Yes, you are sure.
I'm not sure.
It's gonna waste half of our time.
I'm not sure.
You are sure.
I'm not sure.
You are.
I'm not sure.
You don't know how to take out the seeds.
That's your problem, not ours.
I know how to take seeds. When I eat, I put something and then I take it out.
That's how she takes out the seeds.
When I and then I feel something and then it spit out the seeds.
I'm taking them out, almost of them.
I'm going to do the seeds in the dustbin. When you see go to dustbin.
Okay, that's Mama. That's enough.
Okay.
Now cut the blueberries. I don't really like blueberries.
Yeah, I like blueberries because your is nice.
I wish I could say that. I wish I could.
Why?
Because I wish I could.
You don't like them?
No. I don't really like them.
But you do like them.
Yes.
But you don't really like.
Yes. Wait, are you just gonna eat most of them?
I was trying to eat most of them.
No.
Just joking, bruh.
Blueberries, purple berries.
Purple berries.
Grapes.
Purple berries. Purple berries.
Here is our tiny pancakes.
Wow, very tiny.
Very tiny, yes.
So tiny.
So tiny, yes.
Very tiny.
Tiny, yes.
So tiny.
Very tiny, yes.
So tiny.
Very tiny, yes.
So
Wow.
I'm gonna some plates for you guys.
Mama,
How many do you want?
I want maybe.
and 4.
I want
And 2 for making a sandwich.
Okay, I'll make it 5-5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 1, 5.
So 5-5.
How does the
Yeah, one
pancake
5.
taste? How does the pancake taste?
Yeah.
Can I taste also?
In the other plate.
Let me finish.
Why don't you add the perfect one?
Oh, cream!
The perfect one.
But you said you want 5-5, didn't you say?
No, I said why didn't you add the perfect ones? I didn't say add more.
Okay,
Oh.
let's put some
Ones
cream.
that are not bent.
Yes.
Eh? Are you checking the video?
Yeah, I am. Must I take 2 plates?
Huh?
Must I take 2 or 1? 1 plate.
One, even one is fine.
You see, now you're getting it.
That must look like this, like ice cream. I'm gonna take that one. It looks like it was, or like a human walking with cool shoes, or maybe like ice cream. Wow. Mama, do you know me? I'm actually ready to eat.
Oh, you're ready to eat.
I think there's not gonna be enough purple grapes.
I know.
Purple
I'll
grapes.
just make one plate and then you share the ones that are like this.
Yay.
It does not go to grapes. But it can be grapes. Ah, there's no enough grapes.
Wow.
Here is pancake, strawberry, and blueberry cream.
Wow,
Pancakes.
this looks so nice.
Is it cute?
Yo, adopt. Very cute. Cute and nice.
Take a picture also. How is it tasting? I didn't
So
hear.
good.
Is it so good?
Yeah, so good.
I'm happy. Are you enjoying it?
Uh-huh. This is so good. Oh my god. No, my baby.
Okay, guys. So my babies, they've already ate their breakfast, and I didn't have my breakfast because I eat different things. So now I'm preparing my breakfast now. So I'm having brown bread with cream cheese. With cream cheese. And then I'm also going to have sausages. And then on the side, I'm gonna have Greek yogurt, the high protein one. And some blueberries. Let me just wash it. I just washed my strawberries. Yo, I like these ones. They are so big and fresh. So I have these and some blueberries. That's my breakfast, guys. So this is the end of my vlog today. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you keep watching my vlogs, and thank you very much for your support. We'll see each other in the next vlog. Thank you so much. You are appreciated.